Welcome, guys. Apparently, there is new evidence ethinta uMalema kwi-Madlanga Commission. Advocate Chuck Clarkson revealed everything, and I'm gonna show you some of the evidence corner right now, and ikuyo yonke indawo ku-internet. But before I go there, I once posted a video ngikhuluma ngayo le ndaba yokuthi no man, why every time uJulius Malema elokhetha intaka endabeni ze-corruption or zabantu bokufika, like he's so aggressive and very defensive when it comes to ukuthi abantu he's very vocal ukuthi imashini mash ene ayivalwe abantu bokufika bahlale, all of those things. And I was attacked so severe ngalendlela ukuthi abantu babebhala into abayithandayo ku-Facebook page lami, like this one uthi, you are trying to get back to us, awuzwakali sehluleki, you failed in life. Angazi ukuthi ukwazelaphi, like your podcast is struggling and most of people abakwazi sehluleki, you are trying to rise with EFF name sihlama somnqundo, focus on your failures, phuma kwi-EFF. Kusho yena lo user lo ewigama lakhe nilibonayo laphayana, but uyazi mfethu abantu abangaliboni iqiniso bagcina sebesho noma yini, but uyamkela, said something positive. But it must be very hard to be an EFF member. Yay, you defend ngisho kungafanele. Sorry guys, kubhlungu ukuholwa islima, I am sure. And then there was this other tweet again. I mean, a comment, ungalinga nje kusho lo mbona nimbonayo, mina mazi nimhlebele ukuthi ngikhuluma ngayo manje. Ungalinga nje usiza ingane zakho ngehomework bra, awuzwakali nokuthi uthini. Well, it doesn't matter my man, kodwa I'm still telling you ukuthi your leader, hey, uyathinteka kuzo zonke indawo. Wait until I show you the evidence edropwe as u-advocate engekho uFaroz Khan, because phela udutshuliwe allegedly and usejele unconscious, so akakwazi ukuza kwiMadlanga. Abantu abakwiMadlanga abameli bakhe, and then iMadlanga said, you know what, since esejele elimele enjalo sizoqhubeka necala, and they are qhubeka nayo inquiry. It's not even a cala, it's an inquiry, because becabanga ukuthi uma ezoya esibhedlela mhlambe ngeke lihambe. Now here's the evidence, first evidence you must see. There is your leader with these guys. Mo Said, the most feared man kule business yakwayi, a traffic ugwayi inside South Africa, allegedly actually umthitelo ingozi kabi Mo Said. Then umngani futhi ka Faroz Khan. uFaroz Khan othinteka endaweni eziningi ze-corruption. And uMalema once said to Faroz Khan beno General Nkatha Mkhwanazi, they are just fighting, they must not put his name on his name and the EFF name. He was trying to protect uFaroz Khan. There is a video where uMalema ad hoc committee ebuza ubaba lapho iphoyisa ngathi masemula yini embuza ukuthi le ngiyezwa kuthuma uthi uGeneral Mkhwanazi nina ninomshini okwazi ukuthi ukhiphe zonke imfihlo za WhatsApp, ngabe leyo nto leyo nine contract ngayo noma nenze njani, trying to get to know ukuthi hey gaze lama questions lawa gaze zonke lezi zinto ehleze ekhuluma noFaroz Khan noMosed zingavela yini. Boom, yazwa. Shout out to General Mkhwanazi mfethu. Ujuju lapha nali igama lakhe libhaliwe. Brother, where are you? When are you back? Atomunye tomorrow, or let's meet tomorrow evening, please, with our general Eshobani Faroz Khan. It's not only that, guys. Wait until I drop this bomb. Here, uMalema was trying to tell uGeneral Khan ukuthi akabophe wonke lama members e-Operation Dudula. This was like maybe 2021. Why would athi akuboshwe wonke ama-members e-Operation Tutula because they operate phela njengayo iMarsh and Marsh. Should vele nabo Jacinta nabo Ngizwa. That's why bekhansela uNgizwe so much because bengafuni kuthintwa abantu bokufika because labantu abokufika basebenza nabo. I bet you uma engenalo nje ibhizinisi elihajikiwe lamabhilidi ngobe ayinami inkambamanga, but I'm just assuming akekho umuntu ongavikela ama-foreigners njengoMalema so much like azatshela uGeneral Khan ukuthi ababophe abantu abazama ukukhipha abantu abangekho eSouth Africa ngokomthetho. Think about it. Apha mangami Prince Mashile kwi-SMW uke wayichaza lento and uhleze ichaza lento. Malema is a very dodgy character. So South Africa, KZN, you're watching DOP, Durban Online Podcast. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Guys, my question is, do you really think ukuthi Julius Malema uyoke abe a president? Yes, in South Africa. Oh, and also shout out to all the EFF members. See you in the comment section. Danko!